Hello coders, welcome to DevByte School. I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to day 25 session of Mastering Spring Boot. So in this session, we're focusing on implementing, monitoring and alerting in our Spring Boot application. So first question come in mind, why monitoring and alert is required in a Spring Boot application. Okay, so take example like any memory leak issue happen. Okay, and heap memory reaches to certain limit and your project down suddenly. Okay, how you know that? Okay, before heap memory reaches to certain limit. Okay, or take example like multiple API consumed by user and your one API giving find status continuously. Okay, but you not get alert of that. Okay, after user raises a request that particular part is not working of your project, then you identify that. Okay, so overall all these scenarios, we need to implement monitoring and alert system for various our business requirement. Okay, so that is possible by using two technologies. One is Actuator, Prometheus and Grafana. Okay, and one you can implement using EKL, Elastic, Logstash and Kibana. Okay, so in this video we focusing on Prometheus and Grafana. Okay, because Prometheus Grafana is more compatible with a Spring environment. Okay, so lots of things we are implement in this particular monitoring alerting system, like we deploy Prometheus, then Grafana, then we deploy all the stuff in a Docker container. Okay, so maybe this topic will be extend to more than like 2 to 3 videos, and I highly suggest you to watch this video till end. Don't skip anything. Okay, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon, so whenever we upload any video you get a notification that. Okay, with that we create one Telegram group. In that Telegram group we sharing important interview tips and tricks, then important resources and daily video updates. So if you not yet join our Telegram group, link in a description and QR code come over here, you just scan that and join our DevByte School community Telegram group. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before starting a practical example, I give you a small brief about what is all these three technologies. So first is Actuator. So Actuator basically help us to expose all those important endpoints like health, metrics, environment properties, then beans and all those stuff. Okay, Prometheus basically a collector and storage tool. So whatever URLs exposed and whatever data is come from an actuator like heap record. Okay, Prometheus store that. Okay, and you can fire a query also and check a graph. I show you one example. Okay, so here you fire any query like what is the heap size, current heap size of our project. So it's give you a particular graph. Okay, after that, what is a Grafana? Okay, so Grafana is basically data visualization and monitoring and troubleshooting and alerting tool also. Okay, so the Grafana graph look like this. Okay, you can create the whole dashboard with your requirement. Okay, so in this dashboard, like number of logging requests will be tracked, number of logout requests will be tracked, then memory size also track over there with respect to graph. So with that whole UI, you can get idea like how many number of requests is coming, how many number of like logout is going on, what is the heap size of a system. We need a number of pods, means number of extra microservice for your application with respect to number of requests. So you get idea about that. Okay, so that are a pretty basic theoretical stuff about three technology. One is Actuator, which is used for expose or endpoint. Prometheus basically used to collect all those data, and Grafana is basically used to visualize everything, and we can set alert also. So let's jump to implementation. So in this implementation, we basically implement Actuator and Prometheus in our Spring Boot application. Okay, so for that we need to add a two dependency in our Spring Boot application. So first is Spring Boot starter Actuator, then micrometer registry Prometheus. Okay, let's copy that two dependencies and let's jump to a system and just paste over here. Okay, so after pasting, just click on form and just update our project. Okay, So after that, we need to enable one important key, which is management endpoint web explore include is equal to star. So star is represent that all URL will be exposed of actuator. Okay, so let's copy that key and paste in property file. So here just paste that. Okay, so after pasting, just start our application. That's quite enough configuration required in a Spring Boot application. After that, we like add all those stuff in Actuator and Grafana. Okay, just wait for 2-3 seconds. Our project is running. Okay, so our projects run successfully. So let's go to Chrome and just type localhost API and then Actuator. Okay, so when you click on Actuator URL, all important link will be exposed. Okay, so we are interested only one link for implement monitoring and alerting, which is Prometheus link. Okay, so this link over there, just copy this link. Okay, and let's open a new tab and like paste over here and click on enter. So after entering all those important URL will be exposed. Okay, heap. Okay, so I search a heap. Okay, so this contain a heap information. Okay, so total heap present in our system, then how much heap is remaining, then how much heap is used. Okay, so we define one interval like 2 or 5 second interval where Prometheus hit this all those important links and collect the data like heap size and all those stuff and store in the system. Okay, after that Grafana use that hold those data and prepare a graph, and we can define alerts also. So yeah, that's it from today's video. Okay, if you have any question, please write down comment. I will try to address that. And if you like our video, gives us thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's meet on next video. Till then,